All right, welcome to the FMI Show. So today we're going to check out Bitcoin and ADA. There's one article I wanted to show y'all, and then we'll look at an NFT project, and let's get started. All right, so first we're going to bring up Bitcoin, and we're going to start with the naked chart. I took all the indicators off and just see how boring it looks. But let's show you kind of what we were looking at and what we were talking about last week. We bring in the moving average. We were talking about how we were hugged up against the 20-day moving average and using it as resistance, and I was afraid we were going to break down, which we did. We broke down. And again, we said the first level of support we'd find is probably the 50, which we have been trading on it. But we didn't get that quick bounce off the 50, which kind of concerns me a little bit because we could see a breakdown to test the 200-day moving average. If you keep knocking on the same door, it's bound to open, and that's kind of what we're doing right here. We just keep knocking on that door. The 50-day moving average might break, hopefully not flip to resistance, but as of right now, it's kind of concerning that we're trading just right along it. Didn't really get a bounce off of it as we were hoping. But we started to look at some other indicators here real quick. All right, so we bring up all our nifty little tools here and take a look at it. And you can see that we've been trading in this channel ever since we got a reversal back here. And right now we have come down to the bottom part of this channel a couple times already. It's not total doom and gloom. This is why I'm kind of showing you. If we do come back down to test the bottom part of the channel, as you see, it's pretty close to the 200-day moving average. So it's not even, it wouldn't put me in fear at all. I mean, it'd still be kind of a natural trading in a channel action. So my opinion, short term, we could see a bit of a retrace, down here. But in all honesty, long term, it's better to buy along the bottom part of a channel than the top. So this is actually more of a, area that we would be buying in my opinion. Let's check out ADA. All right, speaking of trading in a channel, right now we bring up ADA Cardano, and right now we are still in this channel. And we did break out once, but it was like, get that out of here. We broke right back down in. But the difference is here, we did kind of bounce off the 50-day moving average, unlike Bitcoin, how it started to hug up against it. We are kind of bouncing off of that. The indicators are starting to cool off. Last week we were saying it looked a little too hot still. So, this might be one to look at. Just keep in mind, right now we are trading below the 200-day moving average. We're starting to get a little bit of a curve up. That's a good sign. These are the areas that you'll look back as an investor going, I wish I bought more back then. It's more signs that the bottom's in. We're starting to ascend a little bit, so this is good. So take a look at ADA again if you haven't lately. All right, this was an article that they were talking about this week in crypto. BlackRock thinks you should own at least 85% Bitcoin. They go into an article. They had a research paper. They were looking into Bitcoin, and they do feel that you should own about 84%. Rest in stocks and bonds, kind of, to kind of level out the risk level. But that's quite a bit. That's more than I thought that they would recommend. So sounds like they're pretty bullish. All right, so last week we had a contest on our channel here. Comment, and we were going to select y'all for a drawing to win this beautiful zesty zebra decked out in some zebra merch. Remember, their merch is now up and you can go and get some for yourself, but we're going to do a drawing real quick right now for the ones that entered to see who's going to win. All right, we do everything as transparent as possible. So here we go. We got the 3 people that entered the contest, so we're going to click and check out and see who wins. Congratulations to WJ Tech 9347. We'll contact you on Twitter, and we're going to get you that zebra. All right, so our next CNFT project that we're going to be featuring here on the channel, and we're going to probably be doing a couple giveaways with them here pretty quick. We're just, iron out the fine details, but we just wanted to bring them up because this is another like community rebuild project, and we always liked them. We still own one. We held on to it because we liked the art. I just was looking at them real quick because yeah, it's like the low floor around 10. This is, pretty common. Sometimes they go down to 5 even when you start off on a rebuild project. But if you scroll down, there's not that many before this starts really picking up, already back up to 38. So there's some people that are holding on to these. We like the art. So we're going to be excited to give some of these away. This is something that I'm real big on community rebuilds, projects that, the founder stepped away. Maybe it was a past rug. But we've always liked the art on this project. So that's something that gives them a leg up on some projects, that they got something to build from. So definitely go and check them out. They're going to be, they do have a new Discord up already. We'll talk about that more when we get the giveaways up. So, but yeah, go check them out. All right, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.